It is very late at night, and we are hungry. We are hungry. But it's so scary. We are going to attempt to make it down to the fucking kitchen. This house is scary. It is dark. First, we need to get ready. We need to get ready. God. What are we gonna do?
It's gonna be so dark down there. I
Fuck.
swear to God, this is gonna be scary.
Dude, this is fucking sketchy as fuck, dude. I have no idea what the fuck we're gonna do. Let's do this thing. Oh shit, man! I forgot. Daisy. She's badass, dog. Fucking scare away all the fucking scary ass hangouts. This thing. Okay, let's go. Oh shit. What are we gonna do? What's that? Oh shit. What the hell was that? Section of the house.
It sounds like there's a tiger in here.
A tiger? What the fuck? The house?
Dude, it sounds like there's a fucking tiger in the house.
No, there's no fucking tigers. It's a fucking neighborhood.
Well, you know that one movie?
This is a house. What the hell are you talking about?
You know that one movie, The Hangover, they had a tiger in there. So why can't there be a tiger in here?
Dig, no. Wait. You have a good point. You might actually have a point there. Do you hear that?
Oh, this is. I'm gonna be over here. Oh, God, no,
Hey,
I don't want
hey,
to.
hey. Shh. Daisy, I'm sorry. I love you. Okay. Remain calm. Remain calm. So, alright, this last part. We're so fucking close to the fucking kitchen. I just want a fucking whipped cream.
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what? It's eating me. It's eating me. It's eating me alive. Dude, what? We fucking made it!
We made it. Give me.
Let's do this shit. The fridge. Are you ready for this? Yeah. Are you ready for this? Yes. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready, baby? Are you ready, baby? Yeah. Are you ready? Are you fucking ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Fucking ready?
Yes.
Are you fucking ready?
Yes.
Are you fucking ready?
Yes.
Fuck. Oh my God. Finally. Finally came. Drugs.
It was very delightful. Daisy, would you like some? Scrumptious, huh? We passed the hot sauce. Thank you, matey. Thank
No
you.
problem. You want some more?
It's like Christmas all over again. Oh no.
And then now for the final part. Cornbread.
Oh no, some of the hot sauce fell on the floor.
And cheese. Oh. Amazing. And more hot sauce. Oh. Okay, so we made it back, and I got my food fix. I am very happy. Anyway, back to what was happening. We got the food. And we lived. At least they're not after my nuts anymore. I reserve the right to my own nuts. I don't want somebody after my nuts. Like, what the fuck? Get off my nuts. So, we made it back to the safety of my room, completely safe, unharmed, and nothing is after my nuts. This is a good thing. This is very good. Anyway, as a matter of fact, hot sauce was amazing.